Hi, subscribers. Good evening, all. So, welcome back to 2 Minutes Hindi every day. Are you ready? So, in the first class, we learned the vowels letter in Hindi from A to Aha. So, from this class, that is class 2, I've broken the letters into two half. Today, we're going to see only the first six letters with some easy pictures. Let's go. So, here are the letters A, A, E, E, oo, oo. So there are six letters, like with small sound and big sound. So there are three pairs of letter. Each letters have two sounds. One is small sound, one is big sound, like e, e, oo, oo. Now let's see the letters with picture. So first letter is say anar. Second letter is say arm. Third letter is e say imli. Fourth letter is e say eek. Fifth letter U say Ullu. Sixth letter U say Un. So I'm repeating it again. A say Anar. A say Am. E say Imli. E say Eek. U say Ullu. U say Un. So I'm not going to tell any pictures in English. With the help of the pictures, try to identify what picture is that in English or as per your convenient language, whichever you are comfortable. Okay. So practice this six letters and tell me in the comment whether you have learned all the six letters. Is that was first time for you and how was the video? So it will improve for me also to put the video in better way. Thank you. So every day 2 minutes. We'll be back tomorrow with the third part. Thank you so much.